Right, so just going to repair these probes from the multimeter. Both of them are broken, the positive and negative. I just taped it up and pushed the wire back in, but it's not really making a good connection. Not really any wire exposed, so I guess that's why. And it's pretty simple. Just going to need a soldering iron, bit of solder, and just a few minutes really. But I'll just get this tape off. Bit of a storm at the moment, so hopefully the audio isn't too bad, but move the end of this wire. We need to gauge. And then got to pull the tip of this. So I ended up cutting this a bit just so that I could pull this out. I was having a lot of trouble pulling it out, it wasn't coming out, so got that out. Now I'm just going to twist the wire on here. Hopefully that'll do it. Unplug that solder line. It's a bit thick, probably. I'll just remove some of that. So I made a mistake here. What you're supposed to do is put the wire through here first, obviously, so you're going to have to do that again. So you finally got the wire soldered on. So now just going to let it cool down, and then just got to pull this part back down over. And then tape it up. And that's my hopefully multimeter leads repaired. We'll test that in a minute, I guess. Probably got to try not to twist the leads too much, I guess. But that's it. Let's try a multimeter. Make sure it's going all good. Okay. Let's try sweet. It's working a lot better now. Used to cut out all the time. So yeah, thanks for watching.